Samsung usually launches new Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip devices just in time for the fall season. The foldable phones are currently in their 4th generation and have comfortably replaced the once reigning Galaxy Note series. Needless to say, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be next in line for the title of this year's most premium Samsung phone, following the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra. Over time, Samsung has continuously refined its foldable phone formula. While the devices have more or less looked the same through the years, we've seen improvements in display tech, durability, new software tricks, and more. Of course, the internal hardware keeps getting obvious upgrades, such as more powerful SoCs and better cameras. This year too, rumors are already painting the Galaxy Z Fold 5 as Samsung's most revered foldable ever. Here's what we know so far. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Will there be a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Samsung has consistently launched new foldable phones since the first Galaxy Fold appeared in 2019, so there's no reason to believe that Samsung won't launch another set of folding phones this year. In fact, Samsung's mobile head recently said that the company's foldable phones could overtake its S-series flagships in shipments by 2025. That company wants its flexible line to become the new standard for smartphones. Add to that, there are already multiple rumors flying around about the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and as they say, there's no smoke without a fire. As of now, Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the Galaxy Z Fold 5 seconds launch. We don't expect the company to reveal anything about the new foldable until just a few weeks before launch. Design. Samsung's booklet-style phones have always had a gap between the two halves when folded. A recent report claimed that won't be the case with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The company is said to be using a teardrop-style hinge, similar to what we've seen on the Oppo Find N2 and the Motorola Razr 2022. This will ensure the two sides of the display close flat on top of each other when the device is folded. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 could get the biggest design change the line has seen since inception. The design change is also expected to reduce the appearance of the display crease. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and its predecessors have a prominent wrinkle in the middle. With the new design, the display will form a teardrop shape when closed, thus making for a much gentler curve and less creasing. Below you can see an image of such a design Samsung patented a few years back. In fact, Korean publication Naver also claims it saw a prototype of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 hinge at CES 2023. The image shows the alleged design in comparison to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and surely the newer hinge makes the device a lot more compact. Samsung also confirmed the new hinge design to The Verge. It even shared some pictures of a new prototype display called the Flex In and Out that can fold both inwards and outwards. The company didn't say so, but since it already has the tech in place, such a screen could very well show up on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If it does, it would be the biggest design change the line has seen since its inception. If you were hoping for a slidable or rollable form factor, the like Samsung display has shown off in the recent past, you might be in for some disappointment. That said, it's still too early to predict what Samsung might pull out of its hat. We also expect Google to enter the foldable phone arena this year with the Pixel Fold, so we could see Samsung upping its design game to face tougher competition. Specs and features. Samsung powered the Galaxy Z Fold 4 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. We currently don't have a Plus variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but Qualcomm could announce it around May this year. If so, we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to use the newer SoC. A shaky report from a Vietnamese website claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be slightly taller than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Specifically, the phone could measure 158.5 x 128.5 x 6.5 mm unfolded and 158.5 x 67.5 x 14.5 16 mm when folded. It reportedly weighs around 275 grams. The outlet also reports that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will keep the same 7.6 inches inner screen as its predecessor. The phone is also said to be IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. Perhaps the most important bit of information the website claims to know is the camera specs of the phone. It reports that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could have a 108-megapixel main shooter, a 64-megapixel 2x telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 could finally get an S Pen slot this year. A source also confirmed to the publication that the phone carries an S Pen slot this time around. Samsung's large-screen foldable is the perfect candidate for stylus input, but for some reason, the company hasn't added a dedicated slot for the accessory on the phone till now. So an S Pen slot for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is also on our wish list for the phone. Release date. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 launched like clockwork on August 10, 2022. The Z Fold 3 also came in August, albeit more toward the end of the month. If Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, we should see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 announced sometime around mid to late August this year. Sales for the phone should start in the following week or two. Price. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 were priced at $1,799 when they launched. We don't expect Samsung to drop the price lower for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We also don't expect Samsung to price the new foldable higher than its predecessors, especially given the current state of the global economy. It would be unwise for Samsung to increase smartphone prices and make its flagship foldable even more unreachable than it already is for most folks. Unfortunately, there are no pricing leaks for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 so far. We'll update this video if and when we know more. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this.